Me and my best friend Lillian and her blue tick hound dog Gideon, sitting on the front porch, cooling in the shade, singing every song the radio played, waiting for the Alabama sun to go down to a red dirt girls in a red dirt town. Me and Lillian, just across the line in a little southeast of Meridian. Loved her brother, I remember back when he was fixing up a 49 Indian. He told her little sister, gonna ride the wind up around the moon and back again. Never got farther than Vietnam. I was standing there with her when the telegram come. A Lily, now he's lying somewhere about 1,000,000 miles from Meridian. Where I'm bound, and the stars might fall in Alabama, but one of these days I'm gonna swing my hammer down, away from this red dirt town. Gonna make a joyful sound. Tall and she grew up thin, buried that old dog Gideon by a crave little bush at the back of the hill. Her daddy turned mean and her mama leaned hard, got in trouble with a boy in town, figured that she might as well settle down, so she dug right in. Across the red dirt line, just a little southeast of Meridian. Yeah, she tried hard to love him, but it never did take. It was just another wave of the heart to break, so she learned to bend. One thing they don't tell you about the blues when you got 'em, you keep on falling, 'cause there ain't no bottom, there ain't no end. At least not for me. Nobody knows when she started her skid. She was only 27 and she had 5 kids. Could have been the whiskey, could have been the pills, could have been the dream she was trying to kill. But there won't be a mention in the news of the world about the life and the death of a red dirt girl named Lily. Who never got any further across the line than Meridian. Down without a sound in the red dirt ground. I